Hello everyone, this is Panda. Welcome to the Northwest Portland International Hostel here in downtown Alphabet District in downtown Portland. This video is overdue, so I'm going to take you guys on a tour. First and foremost, this is the Ellison building. This used to be the main office, but the main office is now located in the main building where most of the dormitories are located. Please verify your check-in and make sure that you check in on time. Due to the COVID hours, check-in times, office hours are from 9 to 10. So keep that in mind. But with that said, let's take you guys for a tour. So this is the Ellison building. This is the Greenleaf building right here next to it. So you shouldn't have any problems trying to find this place. But let me give you guys a tour inside. I'm shooting this on the GoPro. So here's Sarah. Hey Sarah. We're giving the audience a tour.
Perfect.
Guys, this is the library. You can come here, look up some information if you want to, or you can sit down in this area, quiet space, to use the Wi-Fi or do your work. This is the library. There's a dormitory here at number 4. There's an upstairs. Take you guys upstairs. The hostel did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this video as my own experience staying here for the last 9 years. There are several rooms on the top floor, and there's multiple ways to get back downstairs. You can go this way, which are apartments. You can walk down these stairs. You can overlook what's down there. Perfect. And there's a history about this building. So if you guys want to check out the history about this particular building, please do so. And down these stairs, in that room over there, is the laundry room, which I will show you. And here is the laundry room. Now laundry is $2 to wash and dry. You can always ask the front desk for some soap, which is 50 cents. That is an option. You can bring your own and you can use your own, but as I said, that is an option. And we're going to start off where we came from. Yeah. So number 9, number 5, number 6, male's bathroom, female bathroom. Okay? Hey Kevin. Here are bulletin boards for locations. Refrigerator. Please label your food as it is explained on the bulletin boards or written here. Please label your food. Microwave, free stuff. If you guys run out of food, there's free stuff you guys can use. There's plenty of plates, cups, spoons, forks, blah 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 blah. Make sure that you wash first, rinse, sanitize, then put it in the rack. Yeah, I am too much. Here is the secret garden. This is the secret garden, as you guys can see. Very nice. There's no smoking of any type of marijuana in the facility. This is a public place, so please respect the rules. It's written on the board, so it's not like you cannot see it. I had to tell a few guests not to smoke because it's just law. So no pot smoking. But you can hang out here, you can use the grill, you can barbecue, You can chat, you can drink out here if you want. But the hours for the secret garden is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night. This is the greenhouse, which I am going to show you once again as we are taking a tour around. So this is the guest house. You can stay in this guest house as long as you like, as long as you pay the fees. There is a 15% Oregon state tax, so keep that in mind. We're going to the Flanders. This here is the Flanders garden. This is another location where you can stay, private rooms for $8.50 I believe for the month, but it is very nice, very gorgeous, and beautiful and quiet. And this is another way you can come back here and explore the hostel. I'm gonna go out this gate. Make sure that if you go out this gate, close it behind you. And this is the front of the Flanders. And then we're going to go to the European house, which is located in the back of the hostel. This is the guest house. You can stay here, as I said, as long as you want, as long as you pay the fee. But you cannot stay in the dormitories as long as you want. So just make that clear. It's on their website and on the High US website. This is independent owned, so keep that in mind. You can also enter from the back gate from here using key cards like this. Very useful. Now if you want to come back here and hang out, you can, but keep in mind this also closes at 10 p.m. at night, so please, others are sleeping. There's plenty of room to go around. This is one way how you can get into the European house as well. There's so many ways to enter this property with these key cards. It's not hard. And here are we walking down the alley. Here's the owner Jim, and here's Justin. They're fixing the fire pit. Here's the fire pit. You can hang out in the fire pit and enjoy yourself at some point when they fix it, in which they will fix it. I have confidence. Here's the cafe. Nice place to hang out. Delicious food. Yum, yum, yum. I'm eating too much here, as you can see. Very nice. And here's the elevator. So this elevator goes to the dormitories up the stairs. So make sure that you check it in this building, the main building. You check out this office desk. And yeah. But there's one more building that I need to show you guys. We're going outside the cafe on the side. They do got outside seating if you want to sit outside, enjoy the rainy weather or the sunny weather. But here is another building that you can stay in. This is another dormitory building that is connected to this hostel. So in total, you got 5 properties here that the hostel owns, and it's, like I said, independent owned. So please, I digress when I say this. The hostel rules here are not the same as the hostel rules anywhere else at high US hostels. Like I said, independent owned. It's been open since the pandemic and only accepting individuals outside the state of Oregon. So with that said, everyone, if there's no one here at the office, you can actually call the number here. And usually someone is always in the office between 9 and 10 at night. And as I said before, ooh, this is the greenhouse, or green leaf. They call it the green leaf. But you can also stay here as well, as long as you pay the fee. And it's a pretty nice house. Every house has their own kitchen, bathroom, everything. But if you want to use the main kitchen in the main building, you have key access cards. At night, what you want to do is exit from your front building, because the secret garden is closed. You come out, you can either enter from the front building here, or the side gate, or the back gate, which we just came from. So that makes a lot more sense. With that said, everyone, give you a small tour. It's been an honor being here. It's been fun. It's been quiet. In some cases, it's been respectful. In some cases, it's been different, because we have very distinct guests that don't know the rules of the hostel or never stayed at a hostel. But with that said, everyone, here is the bulletin board full of names of guests that have visited or stayed here over the course of time. Now, this has always been updated, but here's the bulletin board for the eats, favorites from the staff, movie recommendations.